now demonstrate the safety feature of this aircraft, and your attention is essential, as this may differ from any aircraft that you have flown on before. Please study the safety card in your seat area, as this includes important safety information specific to this aircraft type, such as brace position and location and operation of the doors. In the event of an emergency, low-level lighting will guide you to an exit. All exits are clearly marked and I will point it out to you now. Oxygen masks like this will appear automatically. If you are wearing a face mask, this should be removed before putting on an oxygen mask. Stay in your seat and pull the oxygen mask towards you. Place the oxygen mask over your mouth and nose and breathe normally, adjusting the band to secure it. Please note that the bag may not inflate. You may need to put on a collar streamer to release your mask. Make sure your own mask is fitted before helping anyone else. Your life jacket is underneath or beside your seat. If required, remove the jacket from its container and pull it over your head. Pass the long strap around your waist. Secure the clip to the buckle at the front and pull tight. To inflate, pull the red toggle as shown. The air can be topped up by using this mouthpiece. There is a light for attracting attention. Do not inflate your life jacket until you are outside the aircraft. Any personal devices with flight safe mode should have this feature enabled now. Handheld devices must be held securely or placed into a pocket. Larger devices, including laptops, must be switched off and stored in your luggage for takeoff and landing. Please ensure your handbag does not block the aisles or exits. It must be put under the seat in front of you or into an overhead locker. Place items in the locker carefully, as they may fall out and injure someone. In the case of an evacuation, you must move quickly to the closest usable exit, taking nothing with you. Ensure that your seat is now upright in the takeoff position with the armrest down and your table folded away. Window blinds must now be opened in preparation for takeoff. Smoking, including e-cigarettes, vaping, and the use of other smoking devices is not permitted at any time whilst on board. This includes the toilets, which are fitted with smoke detectors. If you have any questions, please ask your cabin crew. My name is Julia, the in-flight lead, and it is my pleasure to welcome you all on board today. A special welcome to those of you returning from our Executive Club and those of you joining from our One World Alliance partners. May I remind you to keep your seatbelts fastened whenever you are seated. It must remain securely fastened whenever the seatbelt sign is on. When opening overhead lockers, please take care as items may have moved and could fall out and cause injury. As a reminder, smoking, including e-cigarettes, vaping and the use of other smoking devices is not permitted at any time whilst on board. This includes the toilets which are fitted with smoke detectors. We are about to start our onboard service. If you have a food allergy or would like information on specific allergen on today's flight, please contact any member of the crew. For those of you seated in Club Europe, we will be offering your choice of breakfast and drinks from the bar. In Euro Traveller, we will be offering you a complimentary bottle of water and a snack. This will then be followed by a high-life cafe service. These pre-purchase items will be served first, followed by on-board purchases. We invite you now to make yourselves at home and enjoy our hospitality. If there is anything that my team or I can do to make your journey more comfortable, please let us know. Thank you.